close to showing the web right now. The noise sounds like it's coming from over on this side. I don't know what. I'm wondering if I should pull off my intake manifold and try to find out what it is. I'm wondering if something got caught, something blew up inside there.